Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can add your shop on Google Maps. Okay, so come and open Google Maps. As you can see, so this is my Google Maps application. Okay, so what you need to do is to come to contributions. So contributions is the fourth option. Okay, so you tap on that. So when you tap on contributions, come to post and update. Okay, alright, so when you come to post and update, come to add a place over here. Okay, so when you tap on add a place over there, you come and put the place of your name. Okay, alright, so we shall name our shop, I'll name it Azam. Alright, I'll name it Azam Pride Shop. Alright, so the category, it will be shopping. Remember, we're adding a shop. Okay, so after that I'll choose here shop. Alright, so the address, I'll put the address here. Okay, so you need to put the address of the shop. Okay, so I'll put this address. Alright, so when you're done with all that, you just need to leave this as it is. Okay, so when you leave that as it is, you come and tap on submit. Okay, so when you reach at that point, you've basically finished submitting your shop, or you've basically finished adding a shop on Google Maps. And as you can see, Google will give you some rewards, just like 15 points. Okay, so that's all you need to know about adding a shop on your Google Maps. Okay, so if you found value in this video, please leave a like and we shall meet in the next video. Thank you for watching.